trusted name in premium dry cleaning since 1986. With over 3 decades of expertise, Girish has been a true pioneer in fabric care innovation. Over to you, Girish.
Thank you so much. So, small introduction. मेरा नाम गिरीश मनोचा है. I'm third generation dry cleaner, running a successful dry cleaning store in Lucknow. And I have a very small learning on leather. So, जितनी मेरे को आता है उतना मैं थोड़ा सा बताने की कोशिश करूँगा. I hope this is a little useful. I have more experts in the industry. बहुत लोग होंगे जिनको बहुत कुछ आता होगा. शायद मेरे को भी उनसे बहुत कुछ सीखना है. The little I know, the most I can tell, would love to share. Can I have the slide, please? So let's start leather cleaning. Everybody knows what's leather. There's nothing we to tell what is leather. Leather is what we get sourced from animal skin. Animal skin treated is called leather. So, next slide, please. Why? Let's get to the introduction of leather care. Why is important? Leather is important. What does the restoration or leather care does to our leather bags, leather wallets, belts? What does it do to the jackets? Basically, it improves your life of your particular garment or a bag or whatever article you have. It retains the maintenance of long lastability, common leather issues. It keeps a lot of dryness, fadiness, stretching, sagging. I'm so sorry. I'm a little nervous. This is the first time me on the stage, so please pardon me on anything which goes wrong. But I'm just... Thank you. So this is a small presentation on what I would show you what leather is. If this is what you say a leather from the horizontal view, the top layer, which everybody know, when you go buy leather products, they will tell you it is a top grain, it is a genuine leather, it is a suede leather, it's a nubuck. So how do you know what's what? So the top grain is called the full grain. Then comes the top grain, then is the genuine leather, which is below, so it is not a good quality. And from below, when you go from the foreskin, it is the nubuck and the suede. So the nubuck and the suede, because it is from the inside, are the most absorbent. So whenever we treat nubuck or leather, when you will have a feel, whenever you put any leather cleaner, anything, they will just absorb. Why? Because it is the skin which is from the inside. Okay? So cleaning of leather. How do you clean leather? There are basic leather cleaners available in the market. Everybody knows how to clean leather. Very simple. Now we have been very misfortunate of misplacing our all the chemicals today, but I'm just trying to show. This is one sample I will bring to everybody. This is a leather bag, which before we try and clean, I would request Chirag if you can pass it on. This is what we've been trying to do. If you use wrong chemicals which are not on a pH neutral level, what you see is this kind of fading that happens to a bag. So please touch and see. You will see there is some kind of dryness on the bag where there is no color. So what is happening is when we remove the color, the inside skin comes up. So it becomes dry. From the back, can you see where you see the orange patch? So the leather has lost its conditioning, and because of the chemicals, use of harsh chemicals on the leather, and this is also basic necessity what is required if you want to change the color of a bag. What we need to do is all the time, we need to remove the color which is already there. If I say I want to change this color from black to brown, so हमारे कपड़े, because we are all dry cleaner, we understand this way कि हम लोग डाई करते हैं कपड़े का. जब हम कपड़े का डाई करते हैं, सबको मालूम है कि सफ़ेद रंग का कपड़ा है, हमने उसको काला डाई कर देंगे, ब्लू डाई कर देंगे, एक डायर को भेजेंगे. सो बेसिकली लेदर में क्या है कि इसमें रंग चढ़ेगा नहीं, तो सबसे पहले हमें रंग को उतारना पड़ेगा. दैट्स द बेसिक प्रिंसिपल. For it, we need to prep it. How do you prep it? There are preps available. We remove all the color. When we use primers to fill in the base, wherever necessary, we use whatever damages repair is required. I can't teach damage repairs here. And then what is basic requirement? Color matching. that would be my next slide, but I'm telling you because it's going to be a practical thing. So what is color matching? We have basically everybody in class 10, 7th, 8th must have read primary colors, secondary colors. So that the mix of colors will get you an exact color. Now that is a technique which takes a lot of time for us to reach to get the exact matching colors. If this is a black, there will be 100 different blacks. So to reach to a particular black, we need the training particularly to reach. This is where the professional restoration and cleaning comes into play. So this is a bag. I will have my colleague color it for you and show how bag is coloring. We can do it by hand also. We can do it by air pressure gun also. So there are few things which we need to really take care when we're dealing with leather. Never use steam. Steam is going to be very hard. Never use brushes which are hard. Try and use bamboo material cloth or soft cloths or soft material like we just procured something like this. These are soft cloths. Never use anything which is harsh and which gonna let damage the fiber of it. We have to be very soft. It has to be very precise while cleaning the whole thing. So basic cleaning is first dry brushing, vacuuming, applying leather cleaners. You clean the whole leather. Now there are various companies who are selling a lot of stain cleaning for leathers, ink removers. There are a lot of chemicals available in the market now. Now, if this is a new industry in the market, leather. So automobile has come very much into the leather industry for restorators. What is happening is the premium cars in the market. When somebody buys a car worth 1.5 CR or 2 CR, he's definitely going to wear something premium brands. All premium brands, we dry cleaners, we understand, are going to give us indigo dye clothes. Indigo dye clothes are always bleeding. So once they are bleeding, that means it is going to transfer the color from what you're wearing to what is going to be you're sitting on. Okay. So there are chemicals now available for leather where leather will not take any color from the garment. So that is basically protecting the leather. Now this is another market which has opened up. We can condition the leather. We can give contracts as AMC to a lot of people where we can really put a protective cream where even if you try and apply ball pens, it will not transfer. So there are many chemicals available, a lot of companies. I'm not promoting any company. I'm not promoting any product here. I'm just telling and informing what is happening in the market in the leather industry. So leather, जितना हम ड्राई क्लीनर समझते हैं कि हम लोग के पास कस्टमर आता है शूज लेकर के, हमारे पास आता है एक प्रीमियम बैग लेकर के कि इसकी स्टिचिंग इस तरीके से खुल गई है, एक लेदर बैग लेकर के आता है कि सर ये डिसकलर हो गया है, हमारे पास ये लेकर आता है कि इसको हम कलर कर दें. तो these are the services which we give generally, but there are other verticals as well. Automobile industry, sofa, leather sofa restoration, that is a big market. Lot of companies like Stanley's, big brands, they want services from leather repairs. There are big two brands in the company, Sneak and Laundry and the Leather Laundry. They have created different verticals to this as just leather sofa restorers. So this is a big market. They're doing very big business. They've got funding from Shark Tank, everybody knows. So this is a niche market, a difficult market to crack. Leather is not easy to treat. It is just not cleaning, restoring, coloring. It is repairing, precision. And then there's a lot of protection which is also there. So I'm going to allow my colleague, Mr. Krishna, to show a live demonstration how to color the bag. हाँ, apply कर दो. We can do the same technique by hand as well. We'll show because, sorry, you can't see. I hope this is visible enough. You've been seeing all of this on a lot of Instagram where people show you how to do it, but they don't tell you minor details. Like when you're doing leather care, what you need to do. They will show you just put the color and just do it. But there are steps to do it basically. How to remove color, how to prepare, use a primer, use a base, then fillers. Then absolutely, I can't teach you the entire thing right away, but I'm just teaching you basics of how to treat leather. Always remember not to use harsh chemicals. Leather, I've just used one harsh chemical and this is what the result is. So leather has to be, and especially when you're using with nubuck and suede, very, very difficult, especially when you have shoes, when you have markers saying Nike with the suede. Those are very common sneakers. How do you color bind them? How do you make sure that the color does not bleed? I think we have an expert from Mr. Bhatia who does the shoe cleaning best in the country. I've never seen somebody do better cleaning than them. As soon as you color, you need to dry it. We don't have a lot of equipments here. I cannot get everything here. So we need to dry it as soon as we color. We need to have something to dry it, a dryer or anything. By the time this bag has been colored, I'll show you another bag. This has been brought by me just to show when the leather is not conditioned, how dry does it look. This is specially brought to show the dryness of the bag. Anybody wants to touch and feel are most welcome to do it. There will be a difference when you see this bag being colored and you see the softness of this bag and this bag. There's a lot of difference. So I would not ask anybody to touch it, but this is what the result is. If I can show you properly, you had seen it. No, it is wet. So this is how coloring works, and this is how you do it. We need to add primers and everything. There are procedures. We're just trying to show a live demo how this is done. We can do this by hand as well. The same effect will come on a larger surface. We need to put fillers. We need to do a lot of things. I'm just telling basics how to do it. Any question from the audience regarding leather care? Any questions? Yes, sir.
And is there any difference between a calf leather and the Saffiano leather?
So calf leather has been taken in the category of NLI because हम लोग जितने भी handbags, basically we are dry cleaners, हम लोग के पास ना सर ज़्यादातर handbags आते हैं.
Yeah.
Handbags की जितना भी material बन के आता है वो NLI leather पे होता है, which is also called as calf leather. उसकी absorption बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. Absorption of leather में हमें बहुत ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. We use there's special chemicals available in the market to use for the calf leather. We cannot use the same leather what we use for a car seat cover or for a bag like this and for the handbag we have. The different leathers. Yes, please.
I was just following up on his question on the application technique. You said there are multiple products, but the application technique is spray always?
No.
Dye leather?
No. No. It's very simple. हमने spray कर दिया. तो सबसे पहले what we need to learn is the taping. इसमें हमारे बहुत सारे hardwares हैं. How we need to tape it. उसके अंदर buckles हैं. If we अब आज की डेट में बहुत I think Lalit is here. He will tell us there is a bag which is from Gucci जिसका एक लॉक आता है जिसको अगर मैं बैग को कलर करना we need to remove that lock. And there is only one person in north of India who's doing it and he's charging 8,000 rupees just for the removing of that lock and placing it again. So there is a lot of technical ifs and buts. अब उसको हमें निकल प्लेटिंग करना है, गोल्ड में करना है, सिल्वर में करना है. So there बहुत सारे प्रोसेसेस हैं. So it's a long journey to learn. I've been trying to learn myself from last 1.5 years. मैं थोड़ा बहुत जो सीख पाया हूँ मैंने कुछ कोशिश करे जा करके और उससे जो मैं सीख पाया उसकी मैं नॉलेज शेयरिंग आपसे करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. Anything else if somebody wants to ask?
Girish, can you tell us what is the drying process? Is there any drying process for that you?
Yes, sir. Drying process
Can you
depending.
tell us all the drying
Yes.
process.
What is happening in something a leather like this? अगर हमने जैसे इसको किया है, अगर हमारे पास कोई हैंड ड्रायर है, इफ यू हैव any dryer, a hair dryer for example, we can, but never on a heat, it has to be cold, so we can do it straight away. So usse kya hai ki sir drying ho jaye, uske baad we don't have to touch it until it is completely dry to have a top coat. Top coat is the conditioner or the in which we lock the color. There are chemicals for locking the color also, there are chemicals for conditioning the bag also. Since all the chemicals were lost today, we could have shown the cleaning also, we could have shown the conditioning also, but unfortunately we lost the bag today. Yes, please.
Thank you. Hi. So I just wanted to understand if there are any preventive measures that we can take while cleaning footwear or a leather product to prevent
Footwear of what kind?
leather footwear or a leather product.
The
Where
most difficult.
there are chances
leather-
of color bleeding. How
No,
to
when
prevent
it is
that?
color bleeding,
Hmm.
what you need to do is you do not completely rinse it. That is the foremost. Okay. What you need to do, you need to manually brush it, or if you're using a shoe cleaning machine, I don't know, you're using a shoe cleaning machine or you using a manual
Both
thing.
ways.
Both ways. So you don't have to completely rinse it, because अब जैसे कपड़े का है, हमारे पास patches लग करके आते हैं. I will tell you examples because we are dry cleaner. We understand that. हमारे पास एक ladies garment आया, हमारे पास गले पे उस पे embroidery बनी हुई है. हमने क्या करते क्या
We test it for color bleeding.
Yes, you have to
basically.
test it for color
Right.
bleeding. And then there are chemicals available which locks the color as well.
Color fixers, right?
तो color fixes हैं, तो इसके leather में भी color fixes आ रहे हैं. They're available in the market. You fix the color and then you treat it and it is done.
But does that work like one color fixer product does?
For a different color fixer, leather got a different color fixer. And then there are n number of chemicals available. You have to really search. If you want, I can suggest you on a personal level. I'll suggest you a few companies
Sure,
which are
thank you.
selling good chemicals. I can suggest you, but we cannot promote on the stage.
Sure, thank you so much.
Anybody else, please?
Well, thank you so much. This is hands-on training. I mean, really, such a great thing for you to share your knowledge on this platform.
I'm
And-
sorry, I'm not able to deliver the best I can.
No. This is very good. Being a dry cleaner, would you throw some light on how can we, if we get the jacket which is suede jacket, how can we treat it? Because suede always changes the color. I mean, you are an expert. of
स्वेट
it.
का मेरे हिसाब से एज ए ड्राई क्लीनर मैं आपको बताऊं, एक रिस्टोरर के हिसाब से पूछेंगे, एक ड्राई क्लीनर के हिसाब से बताएंगे, उनके दोनों के दो आंसर्स होंगे सर. स्वेट का बेस्ट ऑल्टरनेट मेरे हिसाब से क्लीनिंग में हाइड्रोकार्बन है सर. स्वेट को हाइड्रोकार्बन करिए, उससे अच्छा क्लीनिंग नहीं आता, लेकिन रिपेयर और कलरिंग इज अ डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव. Naved is a specialist in using hydrocarbon with suede. He's taught me how to do it. I've never had a live experience, but लेकिन suede को हाइड्रोकार्बन से अच्छा कुछ नहीं साफ करता सर.
I just have a follow up on that again.
Yes.
This suede, I mean, leather goes through. When you're
Hydrocarbon
specifically
की
talking
machine
about
जो-
leather की apparel की बात जब होती है, तो it's a phase of cleaning before you go into anything like coloring or any reconditioning or softening. So cleaning generally makes it look worse after what it's come to us, because उसका hardness हो जाती है, the conditioning
There
is
are
not there.
conditioners available.
So when he's talking about suede, I think what he was trying to point out was कि leather को अगर आप hydrocarbon करो या जो भी process करो, it starts to look really bad after that.
I
So-
understand, वो थोड़ा सा क्रश लगता है.
and it also might, because of the absorbent category, the characterization of leather which is there, so it starts to have the streaks. उसको वापस से recondition कैसे करना चाहिए? How do you bring it back to life and make
First-
it look even?
देखिए, there are two processes how to treat this jacket. For example, आपके पास जैकेट आई, किसी ने वॉश कर दी. आपके पास एक जैकेट आई जो वॉश हो गई, टूटी सी, बिल्कुल हार्ड सी है. Now you need to get it. So what has happened to that suede jacket? उसके अंदर का जो ऑयल है वो चला गया है. That's everybody understands. अब जब ऑयल चला गया तो अब ऑयल उसमें डालना पड़ेगा ना. We need to put that oil. We need that conditioning back. So how do we treat that? अब उसके अंदर lines आ गई, rashes आ गई. Now that cannot be regained 100%. But when we add some conditioners which are for leather and we airbrush it and we blow dry from behind, when we push air pressure, अगर आप लोग के पास steam iron है जो blow out करता है, cold pressure से अगर आप उसको उठाएंगे तो उसके रेशे साथ में उठेंगे. उसी में आप ऊपर से spotting के पास very I don't know, pressure of steam, very light, which मतलब हाथ पे आप टच करें, it is not hurting you. उस प्रेशर पे अगर आप करेंगे और उसके रेशे सारे बराबर हो जाएंगे, then you can just finish it. That's what we have been doing, and we have been very successful.
Just one more question
Suede
that I had
jackets.
before. Okay.
Suede, not leather. Suede.
Girish, just one question. One who's not really done much with leather. You're trying to explain it to us by saying terms like it's like your skin, terms like it is, it's almost like you're taking care of your skin on your face, and that's how you're doing it. How easy or difficult do you find to do this with your customers and convince them to pay 5,000, 8,000 rupees? Because they have to understand that if they come with a jacket like that which has rashes, they should be willing to pay you that 8,
So
10,000.
now I have a very straight answer to this. आज की डेट में क्या हो गया है सर? What has happened is हम ड्राई क्लीनर हैं. Now I'm tell about my personal experience, what I am doing in my business. मैं एक ड्राई क्लीनर हूँ. मेरे पास एक शू धुलने के लिए आएगा. मैं अगर उसके 600 रुपए 800 रुपए मांगूंगा ना, 2 बार कस्टमर कहेगा कि यार आप तो ड्राई क्लीनर, आप तो वैसे करोगे जैसे आप करते हैं. When I say I'm a shoe specialist, I'm a restorer. But when I say a specialist, for in the layman में अगर आपको ये बात समझाऊं, you have a problem with the heart, you will not go to a physician, you would go to a cardiologist. So that is the mindset of the people. अगर हम जैसे अभी there was a topic, the clean is the new green. So what is happening is हम biodegradable समझाते हैं, कस्टमर को बताते हैं, कस्टमर अंडरस्टैंड करता है. हम बेसिकली टीचर्स हैं टू टीच एंड द कस्टमर लर्न्स. हमें ने तो उनको बताया कि सर आज की डेट में ड्राई क्लीनिंग इंडस्ट्री में ऐसा हो रहा है. जब कल हम उनको बताएंगे वी आर अ स्पेशलिस्ट एंड वी डूइंग दिस जॉब. I am creating a new company. I'm a dry cleaner, 3rd generation, holding a good reputation, but I'm still flaunting a new company. I'm new company only because until unless I share that I am a restorer and I'm a specialist in cleaning, people will not share that money. So I don't know how will it mark to get that money out of anybody. You need to put your money in. So that is very important. सो आज मैं आपसे कहूँ कि सर आप मेरे को कैसे ट्रस्ट करोगे? मैं तो ड्राई क्लीनर हूँ ना सर. आप मेरे पास आए हो, आप मेरे को ट्रस्ट करोगे. मैं कहूँगा सर मैंने ट्रेनिंग करी है. नो, माई रिजल्ट विल स्पीक. अल्टीमेटली रिजल्ट विल स्पीक. लेकिन कस्टमर नहीं जानता. कस्टमर को हम क्या शो विंडो देंगे, क्या वो हमारे देखता है, क्या रिजल्ट है, व्हाट सोशल मीडिया विल टेल, व्हाट माई रिजल्ट एज अ प्रैक्टिकलिटी विल टेल. दैट विल मैटर द मोस्ट.
Sometimes we get leather jackets or suede jacket, which has care instructions saying that no for everything, not even dry clean, no water to be applied. Then how do we clean the jacket? Because it says no for dry cleaning also.
That leather cleaner is available. So sites is giving leather cleaner, sir.
Okay.
हाँ, sites is giving वो dip wash करके आप उससे भी कर सकते हैं. But there are leather specialist leather cleaning chemicals available. Very easy.
Okay.
आप स्प्रे करिए. लेदर क्लीनिंग ब्रशेज हैं, आप उससे क्लीन करिए, जस्ट वाइप ऑफ विद द क्लॉथ एंड इट इज क्लीन. सर उसके बाद कंडीशनर लगा दीजिए. वेरी इजी.
So those jackets or those shirts or whatever it is, if it says no for dry cleaning, even if we have hydrocarbon, we shouldn't dry clean.
Sir, hydrocarbon is only for suede, not for leather.
Okay.
Hydrocarbon only suede.
But sometimes leather jackets says that it can be dry cleaned.
सर लेदर कैन बी ड्राई क्लीन.
हाँ.
हमने तो एमटीओ में भी सर हमने प्रैक्टिकल क्या किया, एमटीओ के अंदर डिप करके भी वॉश करके देखा, कुछ नहीं होता सर जैकेट को. पर्क में भी एक बार करा था, उससे लेदर की पिलिंग. अब उसमें भी सर है कि लेदर कैसा है. दिस इज बेसिकली सर एक्सपीरियंस विच कम्स इनटू प्ले हियर कि कौन सा लेदर कैसे ट्रीट हो सकता है. हमने एमटीओ में वॉश भी करी हुई है सर लेदर जैकेट को.
Okay.
पहले ज़माने में जब नई लेदर क्लीनर्स आते थे तो मेरे दादा और मेरे पापा लोग एमटीओ में वॉश कर देते थे. ड्राइंग में उसमें टाइम लगता क्योंकि टंबल में डाल नहीं सकते थे, तो उसको हम लोग हैंग करके उल्टा रख देते थे वाइप करके. उसमें एक वाइटनेस आ जाती थी, एक क्रीम लगा देते, कंडीशनिंग पहले पॉन्ड्स की 2 रुपए की डिब्बी आती थी, उसको लगा करके दे दिया करते थे. कस्टमर खुश हो जाता था, 800 रुपये देता था. लेकिन आज की डेट में थिंग्स आर डिफरेंट. कस्टमर इज मोर नॉलेजेबल. देयर different things available, there chemicals available. When these things are available now, we can always use them, na sir.
So basically, suede jacket which says no for dry cleaning, that should not be dry cleaned even
Sir,
if you
I
have
cannot
hydro-
comment on that. No for dry cleaning.
No,
Suede
because
देख के बता सकते हो, sir.
the care
Every-
instruction says no for everything.
Sir, no for everything, sir. उसका फिर treatment अलग है.
Okay.
और that is an expert treatment altogether.
All right.
Then I would not suggest कि आप उसको हाइड्रोकार्बन कर ही दो.
Okay.
99% of the suede jackets can be hydrocarbon. 99, but 1% there is always a risk.
I think this is one important question we all missed out is a lot of times it gets very difficult with the advancement of garments, textiles, the way fabric has evolved. How does one really identify real leather as against faux leather? So
Now,
that
what
you are
is
not
happening-
making a mistake.
yeah, very good question. I don't have samples, but what is happening is आज के में जैसे हम कार लेदर सीट कवर्स हैं, तो what car companies, because leather is very expensive. बेसिक वे ऑफ टेस्टिंग अ लेदर इज यू प्रेस इट एंड यू लीव इट. अगर वो धीरे धीरे वापस अपनी शेप में आ रहा है, इट इज प्योर लेदर. अगर इट कम्स बैक टू इट्स नेचुरल शेप फास्टर, इट इज fake leather. That is the easiest way. You press it like this and you do it. You'll come to know yourself how it is a natural, it is just experience. You will, once you start doing that, 3-4 more techniques which I can tell you in details ki how to find it. कुछ leather, कुछ लोग fire से test करते हैं. Never use that. Basic is, आप इसको जाके यूं टच करोगे, वापस अपनी शेप में जल्दी आना शुरू कर रहा है, तो it is not original leather. Leather deform बहुत जल्दी होता है और उसको वापस शेप आने में टाइम लगता है. इफ इट इज टेकिंग टाइम टू कम बैक टू शेप, इट इज रियल लेदर. दैट इज द बेस ऑफ हाउ यू टेस्ट लेदर. Any more questions?
Do we have any other questions, anyone?
स्वीट लेदर हमके पास हाइड्रोकार्बन नहीं है, सिर्फ इतना सा
अच्छा, ठीक है. Gentleman is asking that अगर स्वीट लेदर करना है और जिनके पास हाइड्रोकार्बन नहीं है, तो is there some alternative option?
Yes, there is. So, suede leather cleaners available हैं सर. उनको भी स्प्रे करके ब्रश से आप क्लीन कर सकते हो. उसमें जो ब्रश है, उसकी टेक्निक ऑफ यूजिंग द ब्रश, इट हैज टू गो राउंड. नेवर यूज स्वेड में स्ट्रेट ब्रश. इट हैज टू बी रियली सॉफ्ट. स्वेड क्लीनिंग ब्रशेस आर अवेलेबल जिनके आउटर एजेस ब्रास के होते हैं, है ना. उससे क्या होता है, सो ऊपर के फाइबर जो स्वेड जो है ना, उसको जब करते हैं, कुछ लोग तो रेगमाल भी यूज कर देते हैं 120 नंबर का. आई एम टेलिंग यू टेक्निक विच ऑल द ड्राई क्लीनर्स हैव बीन डूइंग, बिकॉज विच वी हैव बीन डूइंग. 120 नंबर रेगमाल से उसको रख करके साफ करके ऊपर से कंडीशनर को स्प्रे कर दे तो उससे भी साफ हो जाता है. बट देयर आर ब्रास ब्रशेस अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट नाउ वेयर यू slowly you do it and it gets clean and then you can use conditioner. Always round, never use straight. Lines आ जाएंगी सर. And it in all always in one direction. Suede वरना आपका शेड बदल देगा पूरा सर. रेशे बदल जाते हैं उसके. So it has, yes please.
So the other issue is कि jackets आप suede ऊपर से तो clean कर रहे हैं, right? What about the inner lining? Basically जो underarms है वो सबसे ज्यादा dirty है.
जी.
The
सर जब आप हाइड्रोकार्बन करते हैं तब तो आपका पूरा क्लीन हो गया.
हाँ.
अंदर
that
की
is
जो
the-
लाइनिंग है, जो अंदर की है, ये बहुत
That
गंदी है.
is only for suedes, right?
Only for
What
suede,
about
yes.
leather jackets और
Really?
for leather जो आ रही हैं?
हाँ जी.
तो
उसमें
उसपे एक basic issue आता है अंदर के lining
सर
का.
आज की डेट में बहुत
Cleaning of
सारे
the line.
फोम क्लीनर्स अवेलेबल हैं. अब आई डोंट नो हाउ मच यू नो अबाउट फोम. नाउ देयर इज अ मिथ. व्हाट इज अ फोम क्लीनर? देयर इज नथिंग एज फोम क्लीनर. आई विल जस्ट मेंशन दैट. फोम क्लीनर इज जस्ट अ बॉटल जिसके अंदर आप लिक्विड डालते हो, उसको स्प्रे करते हो, वो फोम बना देता है. व्हाट इट डज इज कि इंटेंसिटी ऑफ सोप कपड़े पे कम जा रही है, जिससे आपका कपड़ा एब्जॉर्बेंट साबुन कम ले रहा है. तो हमने एक फोम क्लीनर से उस पर डाला, हमने रब किया, सॉफ्ट ब्रश को किया और वाइप कर दिया. उसके बाद एयर ड्राइंग के लिए छोड़ दिया. फिनिश. नहीं, पूरा टिप नहीं करना पड़ेगा सर. दैट इज कॉल्ड शैम्पू क्लीनिंग.
वो आ जाएगा.
नहीं आएंगे सर,
आ जाएंगे.
नहीं आएंगे. आई बीन डूइंग इट फ्रॉम अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. आप ऊपर से तो फिर लेदर क्लीनर से साफ करो ना.
जो इनर लाइनिंग है,
हम्म.
इनर लाइनिंग में अगर मैं फोम क्लीनर कहीं पे स्पॉटिंग कर रहा हूँ उस चीज की, तो उसका तो रिंकल आ जाएगा इनर
ऐसा
लाइनिंग
निकल
में
जाएगा सर. आप
बिकॉज वो लाइनिंग बहुत वेरिएशंस है लाइनिंग की,
सर
इनर लाइनिंग
आई बीन डूइंग इट फ्रॉम अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. मेरे को आज तक मे बी द प्रोसेस में यू बी यूजिंग इज अ डिफरेंट. उसको करने का तरीका है सर, ये सारी कारीगरी का काम है. सारा काम कारीगरी का. अब कारीगरी अब वही ना रफू वाला है, जिस चीज को कैसे बनाया जाए किसी का मालूम नहीं पड़ता, किसी का मालूम पड़ता. इसमें मैं आपको कैसे टेक्निकल बता सकता हूँ.
Hello.
Yes,
Sir, how can we remove the wrinkles on the leather jackets?
सर वेरी डिफिकल्ट. वो तो नेचुरल फिनोमिना है, उसमें नहीं कर सकते सर. ज़्यादा आप हीट देंगे वो हार्ड हो जाएगा. तो जो रिंकल्स आ गए हैं उसमें बस सर बहुत बेसिक तरीका आप इंटरनेट पे भी देखेंगे, गीले तौलिए को ऊपर रख करके हल्की सी स्टीम दे दी. बट दैट इज नॉट अ रिंकल्स पूरी तरीके से जाते नहीं हैं सर. वेरी डिफिकल्ट, वेरी डिफिकल्ट. आप कंडीशन कर दीजिए जिस कंडीशन से आप जितना आप हाथ से बराबर कर सके. रिंकल्स पूरी तरीके से नहीं जाते सर. वेरी डिफिकल्ट.
Thank you. सर इसके अलावा अगर कुछ और क्वेरीज हों, अगर आप
आई एम अवेलेबल सर. आपके पास मेरा फोन नंबर है, यू कैन गिव मी अ कॉल एनी टाइम सर.
ठीक है, आप ट्रेनिंग भी देते हैं आप नॉर्मली?
सर मैं कोई ट्रेनिंग देता, मैं खुद सीख रहा हूँ अभी सर.
ठीक.
आप लोग मेरे से बड़े एक्सपर्ट है. मैं तो अभी छोटा सा कोर्स करके आया था, थोड़ा सा काम शुरू कर रहा हूँ. तो आई एम हियर टू टेल व्हाट आई हैव लर्नड. आई एम शेयरिंग माय नॉलेज ऑफ व्हाट आई हैव लर्नड इन अ फ्यू डेज.
डेफिनेटली विल कनेक्ट यू.
थैंक यू.
सर थोड़ा सा ये बताइए कोर्स कहाँ से किया आपने?
सर एक कंपनी है द लेदर रिपेयर कंपनी, आई एम नॉट टेलिंग यू द नेम, मेरे पीछे आपके बैठे मिस्टर राजबीर सिद्धू, मैंने और उन्होंने दोनों ने साथ में कोयम्बटूर में, मिस्टर रिचर्ड हैं ओनर ऑफ द कंपनी फ्रॉम लंदन, उन्होंने अभी कोयम्बटूर में ट्रेनिंग सेशन लिया था 7 दिन का, मैंने वहां से करा है सर।
लेदर रिपेयर कंपनी।
द लेदर रिपेयर कंपनी।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
Thank you. I have my colleague who's been working for 15 years in the restoration. He's been doing it and he's taking care of all my leather needs. So he knows everything more than I do. I'm just a speaker to what I've learned because my learning is very fresh and very new. My experience of dry cleaning must be more, but leather care mein it is very fresh and new. I'm still learning, evolving, but I have a team of very, very professional people who are doing the fantastic job. And in the practice of me starting the business, I've done more than 200 to 300 bags, restoring, coloring, everything. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for listening to me and having patience. Thank you.
Thank you, Girish.